Everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So it's time now for the binary boys and girls. And today it's war day number 770. 770 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. And everything has been changed in the world. All right, let me zoom this, the binary. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me continue with this binary puzzle number 8295. 8295. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? This one, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double O. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Let me think. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes in O. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Well. Let me think. I need to think here. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think I need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Question is, do we need to compare the rows or the columns? 10. Double 1. No, cannot compare this one. Okay. How about this row? Double 1. Double O. This row. And wait. Double 1 here. This is not correct. And this row, not this one. Okay. Empty box. 001111 0000111100. So we need to switch these two boxes. Yeah, we have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Well, overlook this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, completed in 7 minutes. Wow. 7:28. We solved again, and I like this one. Yes, only one time comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with a additional 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.